everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitha for those of you who are new here, and for today's video I am so excited. This is going to be another video related to the Eras Tour. So if you're new to my channel, hi, hello. I'm going to be going to the Eras Tour in London this week, which I'm super excited about. I'm currently still at home. My flight leaves tomorrow and I'm going to be attending Saturday's show. But I wanted to come on here and kind of share with you some of the friendship bracelets that I've created. I never realized that as a child I didn't really get a chance to make friendship bracelets just growing up. And so this is kind of healing my inner child, and I'm able to have a lot of fun with these friendship bracelets. I have them all in this little bag right now, and I probably have maybe like 25 or so. The Amazon pack that I originally bought was 2 full cases of beads, but it comes with clear string already. I ended up having to buy extra string on the side because it wasn't going to be enough. The Amazon pack also came with this right here. Black and white square ones. It comes with colored ones, and then these I actually added in myself. So this is something that I bought from Michael's, and these are the lobster clasps. And then it also has the rings, and I've added just a couple more. I also picked, just on the side, I picked these ones up at Michael's. And then I actually created my own little box with beads that I bought from Michael's as well. And then I ended up having to go to Michael's to buy the bigger case of all the letters. I bought one little roll of string that I'm using for the bracelets, and it came with, I think, the majority of these in one pack, and it was like $3. It's a lot more thin than the one that the Amazon package came with, but it's great because then that means that I can fit this string in like multiple beads, and I'll show you what that looks like a little later. Now let's go ahead and get into some of these bracelets that I've created. So I think I mentioned I have probably about like 25 or so. I don't have that many. I know that some people are taking like over 200 to trade. I wish I would have got started a lot sooner. I wanted to get really creative with these bracelets and make bracelets that I was really, really proud of. But there are a lot of bracelets that I love, of course. I love all of them, but I wanted to show you a really good variety of them. I'll probably just put it up against my hand. Here's one that I made. This is Love Story. I really tried to channel the like yellow kind of theme, and I really love that I didn't stay consistent with a lot of the beads. So there's a little bit of everything in here. You have stars, you have pearls, you have gold. Like, there's just a nice variety, which I felt like these are the most recent ones that I've made that I was really happy with. Here's another one that I'm absolutely obsessed with, and it's Midnight Rain. I kind of started to get a little creative at this point, and I decided to kind of crisscross the string and make it 2 tiers, which I do kind of a lot because this is my favorite style. Another thing too is I kind of made this one purple and blue to kind of highlight her Midnight's album. I used the lobster clasp for this one. Here's another favorite that I think I might keep. I made one that just says August, and then I kept this one. I wanted to add a little bit of blue in this one, but for the majority I just wanted to keep it kind of like pearly and white with like some clear. This is another lobster clasp bracelet, and this one I really, really love, so I think I might keep this one. So here's this one. This just says Mastermind. And again, I wanted to keep it fun and playful on the Midnight's theme, and I kind of made this one blue and purple as well. I am really happy with the beads that I chose, actually. So some of these are like these glass blue ones that I've been using for her 1989 album songs, but I decided to start incorporating them just in other bracelets as well, and I really love the way that it turned out. I wasn't sure if this beading right here was going to work, but it actually looks great. And this is another one that I am completely obsessed with, so I think I might keep this one. So this is from her 1989 album, and it just says Blank Space. This is one that I kind of kept on theme, so this one's blue. It has a little bit like hints of darker blue, but the majority of it is kind of like that glass bead. I added some stars, butterflies. It's 2 rows, so this is kind of, again, just where I got a little creative and decided, you know, to see if it worked, and I really like it. That's the problem that I really ran into, is a lot of these bracelets I really fell in love with, that I really want to keep them, but I also want to share with people at the concert. This one is Speak Now. This is a 3-row bracelet. I kept it again on the theme of purple for her Speak Now. Here is an anti-hero bracelet. So this one's a little similar to the Midnight Rain bracelet that you saw. So I really loved the purple and blue kind of theme here. And so I made another one. Lobster clasp in the back. This was one of the very first bracelets that I made, and it just says Taylor Swift. So you have these like big beads here, and then it comes down and it says Taylor, and then you have beads, and then it says Swift down here, and it's connected with lobster clasp. Here is another fun bracelet. So this one says Taylor's version. I actually ran out of the gold lettering, so I had to add some color, but it doesn't stand for anything. From the Tortured Poets department, so this is the smallest man who ever lived. It's a lot of lettering, a lot of, you know, words, but I think it's really fun. I connected it in the back with a lobster clasp, and I kind of just kept it on theme with black and white. I made this one really, really big, so this will definitely be one that I share, but I will show you how to make some of these bracelets for anybody who is curious or maybe needs help. Let's go and make more of these bracelets.